Hi, I'm Jess from John Lewis and I'm here to show you how to have a low-cost festive season. I'm here with Christine from So Yeah, who's going to be showing us how to make your home smell magical.
I am indeed. Thank you for having me, Jess, as it's the festive season.
What have you got on your magic shelf?
I have brought you a gift.
For me?
For you.
I love it, but what is it?
Well, open it up,
Okay.
have a smell, and it's something that will help you make your house smell amazing all through the festive season.
Okay, I love it. It smells like mulled wine. Talk me through how we make this.
I know. Right, so we need a lot of things.
Okay.
But as it is Christmas, there is some Christmas magic.
Okay, let's go.
Ta-da!
This is incredible. So I recognise this jar. This is any day, right?
It is indeed £4.
And what are we putting in it?
Well, there is some cinnamon stick.
Okay.
Fancy orange.
Okay, super fancy.
Peppercorn for
Okay.
prettiness, because they're pink.
Okay, they don't smell, but they are beautiful.
They are more orange.
Okay.
So it's all those sort of spices that you bought like once upon a time last century.
I've
sometime.
definitely got star anise that I've literally never used in the back of my
Hibiscus.
cupboard. Oh, now that is fancy.
Fancy apple.
Okay. This is starting to smell incredible. Is this cardamom? Okay.
And your star anise.
The famous star
and
anise.
a bit of fir.
Okay.
But you want to kind of cram it right to the top.
Okay, so this is like a potpourri, a Christmas potpourri.
It is, but
With a twist?
indeed,
Of course
there's always
it
a
is.
twist. I have named it hotpourri.
Potpourri.
Because
okay.
what you need to do is you're going to put it on your stove,
Okay.
fill a pan with water, put it on your stove and just leave it to simmer throughout the whole festive
Ooh,
season.
like a scented soup.
Yes,
Okay.
indeed. Or if you've got a stock pot or a crock pot,
Okay,
slow
slow
cooker, pop it in there and then it will just kind of make your whole house smell amazing.
And yours is decorated. How
Mine
did you
is
do
decorated
that?
with the magical Sharpie.
Okay.
Literally, you can just use a Sharpie to draw on anything and then you can personalise your gift. And then I've written a little tag with just a few little instructions on there. So who are you going to give that to then?
So, Christine.
Me?
Merry
Oh
Christmas.
my God, you're so kind. Thank you so much. I'm going now with it. Bye. Bye.